a last-minute Halloween costume. For this project, we are using a bolt of Olifun fabric in Lemon Drop. Isn't that a fun name for a fun color? I'm also using some green Olifun. This is a roll of clear wrap. I got this at the dollar store. A headband, a chenille stem, and a green t-shirt. Let's get started. I have cut 4 30-inch squares, and now I'm going to cut those down into 15-inch squares. So I will have 8 15-inch squares total. I've got my 8 squares. I'm going to work 2 at a time. Fold it in half. And then fold it into thirds. And I didn't cut it real evenly, so it's okay. Now this is my folded edge. I want to cut a petal shape out of this. I don't want to cut my folded edge there. You'll understand why in a second. So I'm going to start at the top. Just round it a little bit. So there are my petals. I'm going to repeat this with the other. Now that the petals are cut, we're going to cinch it all together. I like to do a back and forth fold like this. It's kind of like you're making a fan. If you saw my Truffula Trees tutorial, it's the same thing that we did there. Just with a different shape this time. Alright, so we've got this all bunched up. Can you kind of see the flower taking shape? Twist that really tight. And now we'll start fluffing up our petals. One layer at a time. Excuse my nail. I lost that nail polish in a hot glue incident. Looking cute already, isn't it? It's nice and cheery. Maybe a yellow carnation. Separate the petals out a little, give it some more dimension. Just pull them in different directions. All we have to do to attach this to our headband Let's twist these on. Now let's add some leaves to it. Grab some fabric glue and glue the leaf to the base like that. While I wait for my fabric glue to dry, I took some of the leaves to make a collar. I'm going to cut my plastic wrap. I'm going to measure it so it fits all the way around me, and then I'm going to cut armholes to make it like a little jacket. Put it all together. Happy Halloween!